So good morning students, welcome back. Today in this chapter AC, alternating current, we'll discuss about reactance, one of the most important topic. So let's start with reactance. What is reactance? Reactance, it is denoted by X, the symbol X. Okay, it is defined as the total effective resistance of an AC circuit, okay, due to inductor L and capacitor C. Look students, this is coil inductor L, this is capacitor, and this is the sign of alternating source. Okay, so total resistance of this circuit having inductor as well as capacitor, the total effective resistance of this circuit is said to be reactance. Actually, reactance is a special types of resistance which offers resistance in the flow of alternating current. Okay, it is defined as the total effective resistance due to inductor L and capacitor C. It offers resistance in the flow of current. It is a special types of resistance. The important thing is what? It is a special types of resistance for alternating current. Okay, now students, types of reactance. Reactance mainly classified in two parts. Okay, resistance only produced by inductor L. Suppose you are having circuit that consists of only inductor, there is no capacitor. So total resistance only by inductance L in an circuit is said to be inductive reactance, having formula XL equals to omega L. It is represented by XL having formula omega L. Omega is angular frequency. We know what is the formula for angular frequency? 2 pi by T. Reciprocal of time period is called frequency. 2 pi F. F is frequency. So omega replaced by 2 pi F and L. So that is the formula of inductive reactance. Resistance produced only by inductor L in a circuit is said to be inductive reactance, having formula XL, omega L. Omega is angular frequency, 2 pi F, L. Another is what? Capacitive reactance. Resistance produced only by capacitor C. Only by capacitor C in the circuit is said to be capacitive reactance, having formula X C equals to 1 by omega C. Okay, omega is angular frequency having formula 2 pi F. So XL is omega L, inductive reactance. XC is 1 by omega C. 1 upon 2 pi F C is what? Capacitive reactance. There are two main types of reactance. Okay, now students, unit of reactance. Actually, reactance is a special types of resistance. It offers resistance in the flow of alternating current. So having same unit, it having the unit ohm. Okay, we can write ohm, either we can make this symbol. So unit of inductive reactance, capacitive reactance as well as reactance, the unit is what? Ohm. Okay. Now students, the graph. When you draw the graph between inductive reactance and frequency F, the graph will be a straight line, because you know inductive reactance is directly proportional to the frequency. So graph will be increasing as a straight line. On other end, X is 1 upon 2 pi Fc. Capacitive reactance is inversely proportional to the capacitance. Okay, as well as inversely proportional to the frequency. Capacitive reactance inversely proportional to the frequency. Okay, so when we draw the graph between capacitive reactance and frequency, graph will be decreasing. Okay, because it is inversely proportional. So this will be the graph. Okay,